Looking for the best vibratory plate compactor without wasting hours scrolling through specs? Stay tuned, we've tested and ranked the top 5 picks so you don't have to. Kicking off our list in 5th place is the Stark USA compactor. It's got some solid specs and gets the job done, but compared to the competition, it just doesn't hit quite as hard. If you're new to compactors or working on lighter duty projects, this might be a decent intro machine. With a large 20x14 inch plate and up to 2,360 pounds of compaction force, it handles small landscaping tasks fairly well. The 6.5 horsepower engine has enough juice for most DIY jobs, and it even includes transport wheels, which is a nice touch when dealing with a machine that weighs 300 pounds. It's gas-powered, so you're not tied to a power source. Great for flexibility. But that weight is also part of the problem. It's one of the heaviest units on the list, and it doesn't offer much more performance to justify it. Some listings are also inconsistent with specs, showing engine displacements from 190 to 212 cc. Plus, shipping and oil leak issues pop up in user reviews, which isn't confidence-inspiring. This unit is for casual users or homeowners who want basic compaction power without breaking the bank. If you're okay handling the bulk and don't need pro-level performance, it might still work for you. And by the way, you can find links to all the products in this review at the best prices in the description below. Coming in at number 4 is the BETTERI compactor. It's a small step up from the last one in terms of size and design, and it brings a decent amount of force without being too hard to manage. Think of it as the lightweight alternative to bulkier units. It's got a nicely sized base, 20x15 inches, and a compact build, making it pretty maneuverable for tight spaces. At 2,500 pounds of compaction force and 5,400 vibrations per minute, it works well for driveways, patios, and light construction. The 137-pound weight is easier to handle, and it folds up for more convenient storage and transport. The downside? You lose some compaction depth, only about 8 inches. And again, there are slight inconsistencies in the listed dimensions depending on where you look. It's also not as durable or powerful as other units above it. If you're looking for commercial level depth or working with thick soil layers, this one might not cut it. Still, it's a nice middle ground option for someone who wants a gas-powered compactor that's not going to destroy their back moving it around. It's great for home use or smaller job sites. And hey, if you're finding this helpful, make sure to give us a like and hit that subscribe button for more tool breakdowns like this one. In 3rd place, we've got the BILT hard compactor, and this one definitely lives up to its name. It's solid, reliable, and easy to handle. Think of it as the sweet spot between budget and performance. With a slightly wider plate than the previous model and a similar 2,500 pounds of force, this machine offers good surface coverage while staying light at just 126 pounds. That makes it one of the most portable on our list. Plus, the 10-inch compaction depth gives it a slight edge over the BETTERI model when you need to go just a bit deeper into the soil. Still, it's not flawless. It runs on a gas engine, so maintenance is always part of the deal. Some users have also mentioned starting issues, and while it's well balanced, it might not stand up to heavier duty commercial use over time. If you're tackling landscaping, paving, or patio projects around the house, the BILT Hard is a strong pick. It's reliable, compact, and strikes a great balance between portability and performance. Just missing the top spot, we have the Aceup Energy Compactor, and let me tell you, this thing packs a punch. It's the kind of machine that really starts to feel professional grade without going full industrial. With nearly 2,700 pounds of compaction force and an 11-inch depth capacity, it's built for serious work. The wide plate helps you cover ground quickly, and even though it weighs around 139 pounds, it's still manageable for solo users thanks to a foldable handle and included wheels. Compared to previous entries, you're getting more performance without a massive leap in size or weight. On the downside, it doesn't quite match the raw compaction depth or power of our number 1 pick, and the brand isn't as well known. Fewer user reviews also make it harder to gauge long-term durability, though early signs look promising. If you're in that in-between zone, not a full-time contractor, but you take your DIY seriously, this might be the compactor that gives you the most bang for your buck. Let's move on to our number 1 pick, and you'll see why it stands out. At the top of our list, we've got the Tomahawk TPC80H, and honestly, this one is in a league of its own. It's powerful, efficient, and reliable. Everything you want when you're working on serious compaction tasks. Let's talk specs. A whopping 3,000 pounds of force and up to 22 inches of compaction depth? That's the kind of output that takes on trenches, driveways, and commercial pads with ease. And with a 17x21 inch plate, it gives you wide coverage with excellent vibration distribution. It's all powered by a trusted Honda engine, which is known for performance and durability. It's not the lightest machine, coming in at 180 pounds, and that might be a deal breaker for some. But considering what you get in return, depth, power, and dependability, it's a trade-off many are willing to make. Plus, it's gas-powered, so keep in mind there's regular maintenance involved. If you're a contractor, serious DIYer, or anyone needing heavy-duty compaction that won't fail under pressure, this is the one to get. It leads the pack in all the right ways. So there you have it, our top picks for vibratory plate compactors. If one of these machines sounds like the right fit for your needs, check out the links in the description to grab the best deal. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth gear reviews just like this.